Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to copy and paste text on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and let's get started. So, first we need go to Notes. After that you need find any text that you want to copy. Click here. And after that, click Select. Choose Text. And here you can click Copy. And that's all. But if you want to paste this text, you must do next action. You must click and click Paste. And that's all. This is a very easy way to do. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.